I didn't see the bird at first. What I noticed were the mangoes. Some were untouched, some had little marks in them, some were on the ground. The evidence was there before the explanation. That's how patterns usually work. We spend a lot of time waiting for certainty, waiting for someone to tell us exactly what's happening. But often, the clues arrive first. A repeated behavior, a conversation that always ends the same way, a result that keeps showing up. The pattern speaks before the story does. Sometimes all we're doing is learning to trust what we've already seen.